Okay, YouTubers. Let me see. That looks cool, don't it? But anyways, all right, there I am. I'm just a little sleepy and a little cold. I just want to go back in my house, get under the covers, and continue to make YouTube videos or something. It's a little chilly outside, and then it's really hot in the house right now. But yeah, while I'm making this video, I'm kind of trying to think what I should call this video. Maybe I call it Doo-Doo Thunder or something. I don't know. Shoot, I have no idea what I'm going to call it. These two videos or these few videos. But yeah. I'm just walking around in circles. But yeah. Looks it looks like they're gonna have a party down the street. But yeah. Comment, subscribe, rate. Just leave a comment below and let me know what other game should I get. But if I already have it, I'll just go ahead and play it and put it on YouTube. Like, let me see. I got 2K13, 2K8, Black Ops, Midnight Club, whatever, and some other game that came in the box, the Xbox 360 box. But yeah. So those are the 5 games I got. So comment below, let me know what game I should play or what game I should get. Like, let's say if you commented and said get Far Cry, like Far Cry 3. I think that's how you said it. I think that's how you pronounce the name. Tell me what game to get, and tell me a little bit about the game, and maybe I'll go check it out for you guys. So, deuces, people.